Okay, let's build an interactive app right inside Canva, and we're just going to use AI. Believe it or not, with Canva's new AI feature, you can. It's surprisingly simple. First things first, just open up Canva and head to your main home screen. Now, look for the More tab. That's where you'll find Canva's whole suite of AI tools. See it? Go ahead and tap Canva AI to open up the AI Design Studio. So this is the main prompt screen, but for what we're doing, we need a special tool. Find and tap on the code option. This tells the AI that you want to build an app. You'll know you've got it when it's highlighted. Now the AI is ready for your idea. All right, this is the fun part. Just type in a clear description of what you want. Put your idea in the box, hit that little arrow, and send it on its way. And now you just get to watch. The AI literally starts writing the code in real time. Just give it a moment, it'll process everything and generate your interactive element. And boom, there it is. The AI even saves your recent creations, like these games. You can drop this new element into pretty much anything, websites, presentations, you name it. So now it's your turn to play. What awesome interactive tool are you going to create first?